Hey guys, thanks for tuning in and welcome to the DJI Avata 2 destruction crash. Find out what the damage was, what it's all about, what I was doing when it crashed, and what it cost to repair, and what DJI sent me back in this video. So stay tuned if you want to find out. This will be fun. Let's get started. Okay, so a couple months ago, I was helping shoot an art installation for my sister's husband. You may have heard of the artist Cannupa Hanska Luger. He is an up-and-coming Native American artist that deals with futuristic Native American art. And there was an installation he was doing called Ghost Rider. Go ahead and look that up and Google it if you want more information and what that's all about. Anyway, we were in the desert shooting the installation video, and I figured it might be kind of cool since nobody else there had really a kind of an FPV drone of the Avata 2 caliber. I thought it might be kind of cool to get some canyon shots, just kind of like aerial video and some flowing video, do little tricks, check out the new stuff. I know the Avata 2 had a new loop mode that I had never tried out, so I went ahead and put it up in the air and wanted to get some footage of the area and just some cool stuff. They actually had me shoot some cave video, so I was practicing through this really narrow cave, running in and out, and I'm not sure if they're going to be using this footage in their final product, but hope so, because it was some really neat tight cave footage where the actors were in the cave and I was just able to zoom right through them and get this really neat footage. My brother was actually on the scene too. In the movie industry, my brother does picture car wrangler supervising kind of stuff. So he was actually helping and in charge with this production. And you're going to see some cool stuff they created with this mirror finish wrapped van with tank tracks. Just an amazing collaboration between my family. So I'll let you enjoy some of the video I got with the Avata 2 before it crashed, and then we'll talk about what happened during the crash. Enjoy.
To the east and west, to the north and south, warrior, warrior, gather every child, Mama needs you now. Warrior, warrior, the suits are moving in just to get that dollar. Treat is being broken, no respect or honor. Listen close, my friend, this is happening. Warrior, warrior, if you are around, stand up like a mountain. Sage and cedar, spirit is the leader. Warrior, warrior, the clouds are getting heavy, thunder beings are ready. Warrior, warrior, where the oil spills we cannot drink the water. 7 generations are the sons and daughters. Gather all your friends, this is happening. Warrior, warrior, if you are around, stand up like a mountain. Rise up from the earth, one love, one message. I know that we are strong in spirit.
Okay guys, now that you've got a good taste of what the Avata can do in this kind of area and scenario, this is at the point where I handed over the controls to a cameraman. He had never flown with the motion controller, which is what I was using for all these flights. He had just experience with FPV drones with manual flying. So I told him, hey, just take it slow, take it easy. Handed him the goggles and the controller at this point. And he was just trying to get slowly kind of used to the way the motion controller works, where you pull the trigger to go forward and then you're just moving up and down, left and right with your wrist. And he was doing pretty well up until this point, where he tried to give it throttle and went right into that rock and tumbled about 100 feet to the canyon floor. And this is where we're going to see what the damage was. Other tourists were kind of walking by. It was luckily it didn't fall on their heads when that happened. This is kind of a known trail that tourists can walk through, and we were just kind of sharing it with everybody for this video shoot. All right, guys, let's see some of the damage from that. I think it was pretty much 100 feet into the side of the canyon rock and then tumbled down the rock a bit. Bend right there in the propeller guards. We have another kind of crack right here that pushed the side in. Propeller's broken on the left side, probably where it landed and hit. A few more little scratches and dents. Surprisingly, the camera survived, no problem. That little ding in the front was there previously when I was doing the test at my house. But then when we start to flip it over, look at that. So this whole left side looks like it probably hit the canyon bottom right here and cracked this entire arm. So we can push that and we can see that crack opening. So this is definitely unflyable. That's the major fracture right there. That's probably where it landed. That's mainly it. I mean, if it takes 100-foot drop into rock and sand to damage it this much, that just tells us this is quite a robust and strong little drone here. Oh, there's also sand in the motors. So a little bit of sand got in the magnets there and it's grinding a little bit. This one as well, you can hear that. Oh, and the right rear got some sand in it. Probably hit like this and then landed upright, and I was trying to relaunch it. I had no idea these propellers were broken when I was trying to relaunch it, so it was probably rotating and kicking up some sand. So you want to be careful when you're relaunching in sand and stuff like that if you're in that kind of area. But that's what you get for letting somebody that's never used a motion controller before fly in the high canyon. Anyway, I'm going to send this into DJI, and it's probably only going to cost a couple $100, a few $100 maybe. See how it turns out. Okay guys, got the Avata 2 back from DJI Repair. So you send it in, they just basically give you an assessment of how much it's going to cost. And you can see all the list of items that they're replacing in the craft and charging me for. But they actually sent me, it looks like a brand new craft in a sealed box, completely wrapped. So it looks like they just charged me for what it would cost to fix, but actually sent me a brand new one. And that's what they usually do nowadays. So, you know, I'm coming from a reviewer standpoint, but I get no discounts for DJI Repair. I'm just sending this in like a regular customer. We have outer frame, including antenna. One of those, which is $35. We have a lower cover, $12. Gimbal protector cover, $10. A motor from the front, $13. Motor from the rear, $13. Repair service fee was $65, $159.95. So to me, seemingly a almost completely destroyed craft, for it to only cost that much just to get like a brand new one is super reasonable. So I went ahead and paid it, and it literally got here within 2 days. So the turnaround, once they get the craft, it usually takes a couple of days to get there. Once it gets there, usually takes a couple days for an assessment, and then once you pay it, they just send it right away the next day. So the turnaround was literally like just about 1 week to like 5 business days total. I think I got it back on the Monday the next week because, you know, the weekend and stuff. But let's just open this real quick and just double check if it actually is a completely brand new Avata 2, which it seems like. I don't know why they would put it in you know, a sealed box like this if it was a repaired version of it. So let's just open this up real quick just to make sure. Yeah, so to me, this just looks like nothing in there. That's just the spacer, silica gel, and that's all there is in there. And then we have the actual craft right here, and it looks like it's just never been opened. Let me see if I can see anything on here that looks like it has any scuffs or scratches to indicate that it is mine that was repaired. Honestly, nothing. No, this is a brand new craft. It's got the sticker on it. Yeah, so if this was the one that I had sent and they repaired it, there would be all kinds of pockmarks and scratches. So awesome, guys. So there you go. A brand new Avata 2 aircraft. Yeah, it's even got the plastic on the cover for a new drone. Awesome. I didn't really care even if they sent me one that was repaired, but my old version, if it had a couple of scratches and stuff, but they just had a whole brand new one. So very impressed. It's usually less than you think when you get repaired, and they have free shipping. So just wanted to touch base with you guys and show you the process and what it costs to honestly get basically a whole brand new Avata 2 if you send yours in for repair and it's as busted up as mine was. I love this craft. This is super fun to fly. I'm looking forward to having fun with it more. Anyways, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed that and you learned something about sending in some of your crafts to repair to DJI. Again, not as much as you think, and I got a brand new one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.